Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to my live. I'm here every single day doing lives, showing you guys how I make money daily. Please make sure to give me a follow. Join the Discord link in my bio to get access to a ton of information and knowledge. And it's a great place to hang out and learn without having to pay anything. Ohio, what's going on? Crystal, man, what's up? Matt, FX Trader, how you guys doing this morning? Currently watching BTC USD, waiting for the stock market to open. We are able to trade BTC, XRP, Litecoin, Ethereum, all that kind of stuff here on TradeXN. That's the name of the broker. No trading fees and low spreads. We are using a 5-minute time frame here. Also using the range bars here as part of my trading strategy. We have cryptos, indices, stocks, and forex. Anyway, I come on here every single day to teach people who have never really traded before, who are learning, trying to get that extra edge in the market. And a big part of that is always using risk management, using stop losses and take profit when we are trading. So just getting right now, BTC USD is that audio signal that comes with the range bars. A lot of people have never seen these before, but it really simplifies the market, makes it a lot easier to read. They're very linear. You're just looking for these reversal patterns. And we mix that with the RSI and the PSAR as well. As you can see, the RSI right now is under the 50 line. The PSAR is showing on top, which means we're trending down. And then we have the Bitcoin as well. We're showing down, we have reversal, so we're looking to continue down for now. Otherwise, we want to try and catch an uptrend. The one only mix that I barely started. How do you take profit? How do I take profit? Not quite sure what you mean by that. I sell my trade and get my profit, and then I send it off of my broker and I send it over to Coinbase or Crypto.com. And I just use USDC to transfer my money back and forth across. Mr. Baby, best snack is noodles. Why do you guys say crazy stuff? I don't understand. Alright, so again, we're trading or we're watching BTC USD right now, looking for a position. Also waiting for the stock market to open here in about 15 more minutes. See if we can maybe catch a trade with Tesla or Google, maybe Amazon. These have Google, Facebook, Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, and Apple all on here. And then we have 6 different indices. So we trade gold as well, NASDAQ, S&P, Russell, and oil. Again, 4 different cryptos as well. The one, thank you. What do you... Oh, yeah, if you just wonder how I take profits, sure. Like I said, Mr. Big, gotta keep the cards hitting so the body doesn't sleep on the profits. Yeah, this is true. You gotta stay awake, right? I'm a noodle guy too. Gotta have that ramen, right? All right. Again, welcome everybody who's just joining my live. I'm here trading every single day. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Like I said, these are range bars here. These only move off of points and not time. So it gets rid of all this up and down chaos, different size candles and all that kind of stuff. It just makes it easy to read. Again, we're matching these with the RSI and the PSAR. And then again with the range bars. So the RSI, you're looking for the 30 point or the 70 point. If it is under 30, then it means we're heading, it is a short position. If it's 70, then it's, if it's 70, then we're overbought and you want to go down. If it's 30, then it's oversold, sorry, and we're trying to go up. And then marking with the PSAR, parabolic SAR. If the dots or stars are on top, it means that we are trending down. If they're on the bottom, that means that we're trending up. So as you can see right now, we're under the 50, headed towards that 30. The PSAR is on top, meaning that we're heading down. And then we have the range bars showing that we have that pullback and they're heading down. So I never want to catch anything in the middle of a move already as well. So I'll be looking for a reversal here soon. Also listening for the audio signals. That's a big part of this as well, because of all the indicators that are built into these range bars.
Trade down now. XRP. USD.
So there's a trade down now on XRP. We can actually pull that up. Haven't heard that in a while. It's not as frequent as Bitcoin is. Maybe we can catch a trade with XRP. Yeah, it's definitely shorting. All right, so we'll jump into a trade with that. Let's see. I haven't done XRP in a while. It probably needs to be. I should have made that a lot more. I haven't used it in a minute.
Trade up now. BTC. USD. Trade up now on ETH. USD. Trade up now. ETH. USD.
All right, so we have take profit and stop loss put into place on that one. We'll see how that trade again plays out. Going again off the audio signals here as well. All right, let's go back to, like I said, these have crypto stocks, Forex, and indices here. If you're wondering, trade down now, BTC USD, so it's still pushing down here. That last low was 40.34. So we're going to see if it's going to try and bounce off of there as well. All right. How are you guys doing this morning? Like I said, we're waiting for the stock market to open. We got about 10 more minutes left. Again, we're in a trade with XRP right now and looking to see if we can catch a reversal.
Trade up now. BTC.
With BTC USD, that just gave that audio signal as well. So it's kind of bouncing back and forth right now. Again, as you can see, the PSAR is still on top, so we're still moving down. I'm waiting to see if it's going to cross this 40.34. The RSI is headed down as well, so we want confirmation with all these together. So what's the markets look like for the next few days? You know, the market is variable, right? It changes all the time. So you never know what the market's going to do. I'm not a predictor, right? I can't see the future. I have no idea. I only go off what I'm seeing right now, because the market changes every second of every day. And so I'm just looking for what's in front of me. Again, I'm only trading off a 5-minute time frame, right? Not hours, not days away. That's super far. Anything can happen. Again, news can come out, right? I'm not trading off the news either. I'm just trading off what the market's doing. I'm only looking for a 50 to 100 point trades. So they're nothing drastic about the moves that I'm doing here. All right, let's see. So we got Bitcoin is starting to head down now. But again, we're watching for the PSAR here as well. See if we can break this 50, because we're already heading down. Again, I don't want to jump into the middle of a trend, because that's when it can always reverse. You always want to catch it when it's changing direction. It's currently already saying that it was shorting. I did catch 2 trades like just a little while ago here. I had a $50 and a $60 trade just this morning. So I'm already up to, oops, what did I just do? Oh, let me bring that back up. All right, so like I said, we're waiting for the stock market to open as well. All right, let's see what's going on here. I can check out SPY. Just give me a minute. So what's the market look like next few days? I don't know. Bitcoin is a big papa in the crypto. Yeah, no kidding. Slow changes, but the smaller coins change drastically. Yep. Predict the big dog and hop on the small dog for the better profits. Well, like I said, I'm not holding these for long periods of time, right? For Bitcoin, I'm just trading on the 5-minute time frame, so it's consistently moving all the time. I don't have to hold it for long term, basically, is what you're saying. Let's see, S&P 500 is SPY. All right, let's see. Okay. Yeah, S&P 500. Okay, S&P 500 right now. That just changed direction on the PSAR. If we go to the hourly, Hourly is really losing momentum here on long position on the 5-minute time frame. So I would say that the US 500 is actually getting ready to flip and start going short. It is at 75, so it's overbought, sorry. So that should be heading down here. I'd be watching for shorting on US 500 if I was going to be holding that for a longer amount of time. Hey, Dr. MCA, what's going on? Welcome to my live, you guys. All right, see, again, we're watching Bitcoin. Stock market opens in a few more minutes. We have Google, Facebook, Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, and Apple here. So again, I come on here trading, and it's all about risk management. That's why I do come on and teach you guys that kind of stuff as well. Let's see. All right, we'll check out US 100 real quick too. And you guys can check these out too if you know how. Hourly has flattened out completely. Looks like they're all flattening out. Let's see. Of course, it's been looking over the weekend too. Matter of fact. I always forget about the weekends because that was all day Sunday. Right, 22nd January, 19th, 20th, 1st. So yeah, that was the weekend flat. But even that showing on the hourly, the PSAR is on top. So that looks like it's going to be reversing as well. Let me get the RSI in there. And that's oversold as well. So I'd be expecting a pullback on US 100 for NAS as well. Just from what I'm seeing on the hourly. Again, I don't trade hourly. It's not financial advice, just my personal opinion. All right. So again, these have crypto stocks, ForexN indices on TradeXN is the name of my broker here. No trading fees and low spreads. So like I was saying, I come on here every single day, talk to you guys about risk management. And the way that we manage our risk is by making sure we're always risking less than 1% of our balance. Most traders end up losing money because they just don't follow a proper risk management strategy. And we always want to set a stop loss and take profit right away to make sure we stay protected from too much loss and are always able to take profit without getting too greedy. As I know you are welcome. And then for our risk reward ratio, again, that is just a 1-to-1. So if I do like 50 points up, I'll do 50 points down as well. So, all right, so we're just seeing Bitcoin here is on the move again, still trending down. Looks like it's heading for 40.34. Trade down now on ETH USD, so Ethereum said it's headed down as well. So a lot of traders set their stop loss too tight. Then the market ends up knocking them out just because they're keeping that way too tight. I like to give the market room to grow, and so I always make sure that my spread is big enough that it can move back and forth. Because it's going to have its pullbacks, right? Hey, Nate Jump, what is going on? All right, let's see. What time is it? So we got just a couple more minutes. And then the market's going to open here. Tesla has been showing downtrend. This green bar here looks like it may continue down. Let's go to Tesla. Let's see what Tesla's doing this morning. All right, so daily it's been just bouncing back forth, couple bucks. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. So that's showing the PSAR on top here. The RSI is bending down to short. And then Tesla has had this pullback, so we'll see how this opens this morning. But it definitely looks like it might end up doing a short position this morning. So we'll make sure the audio, again, make sure the audio is on, make sure your live is on, the little red dot is there as well. Again, these are the range bars and they are free to use. They are in the link in my bio, or you can go to futurecapitaltrading.net in order to get them. All right. So we got a minute left and then this thing is going to start popping. Again, we have Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, and Google. And like for the weekends, I'm always trading Bitcoin. We have XRP, Ethereum, or LTC USD as well. Well, which one is the S&P 500 is up here. That's right. Oops, sorry, too far. Oops, too far. S&P 500. That's S&P 500 right here. So as you see, it was downtrending, had this pullback, but it's moving down. All right, and see. So we're open, and Tesla is moving.
Trade up now, BTC USD. Trade up now on BTC
All right.
USD.
All right, so we got Tesla in our sights there. Watching that, we're going to see how Tesla ends up moving this morning. See if we can catch a short. What is the best time to trade for crypto? That really changes all the time. I'd say try to catch maybe the London session. Honestly, in the morning time, like right now, it's moving pretty well. And then later at night as well. Like for me, about 9-10 o'clock, it's pretty slow. But you start cracking like after midnight, early in the morning, seems to be better for crypto. Yeah, 9 to 12 is a good time to trade, like in the morning, like right now. It's definitely a good time to trade crypto. All right, let's see. So that is moving on down here. Yeah, I think we're going to catch a short here with Tesla. What is
Trade
it
up
like?
now, BTC USD. Trade up now on BTC USD.
No, we want to do $5.
Trade up now, ETH USD.
All right, take profit. There we go. All right, I think that's what I wanted was Tesla.
Trade down now, BTC USD.
Yeah, I don't trade that one often enough either.
On BTC USD.
All right, we have stop loss and take profit right for Tesla, so we'll see how that goes. We're currently in profit, 65 cents, moving up, so we'll see how that goes. All right.
Trade up now on BTC USD.
Where is my other trades? XRP is heading down. Like I said, you always put stop loss and take profit in place. Anytime you're trading, always protect your accounts at all time. At the end of the day, it's always about protecting your capital. Let's see. People are blowing up my stuff this morning. Trump number fun. Okay. Probably like 2 a.m., 6 a.m. for middle USA time. Yeah, Mountain Standard Time, but that's just me. Good night, bro. Share some profits. Hey, Mr. Bay. Yeah, good night. Hope you have a good night there. All right, see. She said share some profits. All right, let's see. What's Bitcoin doing? So Bitcoin is trying to reverse now. RSI is heading up. And that is getting close. Bitcoin is moving up. So I may end up jumping into a trade with Bitcoin. Looks like it's pushed off. It's not going to hit that 40.34. So I'm going to jump into that as well. Stop loss and take profit are in here. BTCUSD, we're up in profit $13 right now. We'll see if we will hit that take profit. Again, welcome to my live, you guys. I'm here trading every single day. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow. Join that Discord link in my bio. Like I said, I'm always here teaching risk management, using that stop loss, using the take profit, because it'll automatically sell your trade for you, either in profit or in loss. But it will trade for you, so you don't have to sit here and worry about it and stay on your screen the whole entire time. You can go, walk away, go do other stuff. All right, I'm a busy guy. I have other things I need to go do. So this allows me to go do other things after I've set my trade into position. I am trading on TradeXN is the name of my broker. No trading fees and low spreads. And then when I'm trading, I'm only using 1% of my account
Trade down now. BTC
at any time as well. So I'm not going to blow my account by doing 1 or 2 trades. You know, I do this for a long period of time using consistency. Again, only using 1% or less of my trade. So like 0.75 is my trades on BTC USD right now. Again, just looking for a 50-point trade, which equivalates to $50 on my trades here. Again, it's a 1-1 ratio. So we're just looking to make money going up, but we can also trade and make money going down. Hey Carlos, thank you for the follow. Really do appreciate that. And again, thank you guys for the likes. That does help out my algorithm as well. So I come on live here all the time because I want to be able to learn and be very consistent. I'm now doing very well following my strategy. So I wanted to, of course, share my knowledge with you guys. I'm already trading. I figure I might as well come on to TikTok and teach you guys what I'm doing as well. And then please use my referral code on here as well if you decide to use the broker, which is TradeXN. There's no trading fees and low spreads, but that referral does help me out, right? I get a commission from the broker, and then you guys are learning how to do this stuff for free. I don't charge anything for it. I'll never ask you guys for money. I'll never trade for you either. I'm already doing this on my own. I don't need your money. So when I first started, I only used like $1,000 to $5,000 starting out and learning how to use or how to do trading and all that. But as I grew and got better, I upped it because the market takes about $10,000 to $50,000 to trade if you want to do this like full time, right, and not make pennies. But starting out, again, we're only using like 1% of our account, so that $1,000 to $5,000. You can trade at like 0.01 volume here, and that will allow you to learn to trade safely and not blow all your capital. As you get better, you can always move up, you know, the amount of money that's in your account, and then you can grow it just from your trades as well. But if you really want to make some serious money, it takes $10,000 to $50,000. Again, I have 27,000 in my account, and I'm only trading like 0.75% on each trade, so I keep it as safe as possible. Again, welcome everybody who's just joining my live. I'm here trading every single day. Feel free to ask any questions, and if you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Hey Carlos Coy, what is going on? Thank you for the follow. JW, thanks for the follow as well.
Trade down now. Trade down now. ETHUSD.
Hey KJ Durham, what's going on? Welcome to my live. And K80 the artist, again, thank you for the follow. Really do appreciate that as well. All right, so that was the audio signals as well. Again, these only move off points and not time, and these are created by a whole bunch of signals. Indicators, not signals, indicators all put together that gives you movement of the market. Again, they only move when the market is moving. They're not based off of time, so they don't care if 5 minutes have gone by. They're not going to move unless the market is moving in a certain direction. So that's what these are showing right now. So again, they have cryptos, there's indices on here, the stocks, and they have Forex as well. All right, so it looks like Tesla has come up a little bit. Let's see. So it's pulling back some. We'll see if we end up getting knocked out of our stop loss there. Again, we're only using a very small percentage of our account when we're trading. Again, we're treating it like a business, right? Banks, companies, all that stuff. They don't risk a lot in anything that they're doing. They use a very small percent. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of companies that are always negative percentages. But when we're trading, like we have a 61% win rate using these range bars. That's how good they are. If you do want to get them, they are in the link in my bio. They don't cost anything. They're just on my streaming service. All right, let's see. All right, we are trading XRP and Tesla. We just got knocked out of Bitcoin as it decided to reverse on us. Again, that's why we always use stop losses. ISO which broker is good for USA user? So I'm in the US. I use TradeXN, but I do use a VPN. So I use Proton. I use Proton VPN. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. So Proton VPN is free to use if you just use the Netherlands or Japan.
Trade up now on ETH.
And then I send my crypto and stuff across on crypto.com or coinbase.com. But that's what I use. So I said I'm in the US as well. All right. And I like them because they have no trading fees and low spreads. And again, they trade cryptos, stocks, Forex, and indices. So you have quite a variety to choose from. Again, all that's in the link in my bio, so you can get them there as well. If you have any questions, you can always join my Discord as well. We have like 86 members now. And again, I have a whole bunch of information in the Discord on how to use all this stuff as well. Like for my training videos, I have a whole bunch of trading videos, how to set up TradeXN, how to put money, deposit, withdrawal money on here, how to set up your charts, how to add your markets, do stop losses, take profits, how to use the range bars, how to read the indicators. Again, there's a video on the range bars, how to, the link for Proton VPN. And then another one, if you really want to learn in depth on the range bars, I have a video here on that as well. So like I said, all that is in the link in my bio. Yeah, it looks like it really wants to push back down towards 40.34 today.
Trade down now. BTC USD.
All right, trade down now, BTC USD. Again, we're watching that PSAR. Like I said, it's continuing down here. I tried catching a reversal just a little bit ago, but it pushed back. So that does happen. Again, that's why we always have that stop loss and take profit in place, and only we're using 1% of our accounts. It's always about protecting our capital at the end of the day. So I've been using TradeXN, this broker, for 2 years now. And they've been very useful. Again, they have no trading fees and low spreads. I haven't found they equal anywhere else. And I do like them because they have crypto stocks, Forexes, and indices that I can trade on. A lot of other brokers only do crypto or only do Forex or whatever. And this isn't futures or options either. All right. Again, if you guys have any questions, please hit me up. If I see another good entry, I will jump into one for sure. So I'm already in 2 trades right now. I was in Bitcoin just a minute ago. Hey, Big Bates, what is going on?
Trade down now. ETH USD.
So trade down now on ETH USD. It's giving again that audio signal. We have the bars heading down, have that pullback that I've talked about, and then it's continuing on down. So that would have been a good time to, like that first bar, to catch a ride down a short position on ETH. And actually, if we went to Ethereum, which is right here, again, 5-minute time frame. Let's see. Right, so the PSARs, like I said, they're on top right now. So they're saying they're heading down. The RSI is on bottom, and that is heading down as well. So if you would have caught it up here, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that would have been a 50-point trade right there. And that's all we're really looking for. We're not holding this for days or weeks. Again, just 5-minute time frame. So we're only looking for that 50 to 100-point trade. Depending on what we are actually trading. So I'm just waiting on a reversal here on BTC USD and see if we can catch a long position. All right, let's see what's going on here. Let's see, XRP has such a big spread. Yeah. So we need to wait more on like the hourly on XRP because the spread is huge. I did forget about that. And then Tesla looks like it might be heading down still. We have that PSAR on top on the hourly. It has flipped on the 5-minute time frame here. So we'll see how that plays out as the next hour or so progresses. Let's see what time is it. 8:46. I got about 10 more minutes and I have to jump off of here. I've got to get ready for my job. I do try to come on here every single day in the morning time for like an hour before I head off to do my normal thing. And then I try to get on in the evening as well. All right, let's see. Trade up now on BTC. What's BTC doing right now? That is still underneath the PSAR. Like I said, we put all these indicators together to make an informed decision. The RSI is still under the 50 right now and kind of heading down. The PSAR is still, candles are underneath the PSAR. So with the audio signal, that's not going to work. So we want all that to match up together to give us a good direction of the market. Now, if you guys could too, please hit that like buttons a couple of times. I do appreciate that as well. Again, it does help out my algorithm with TikTok. So that would be very appreciative if you're in here on my live. Like I said, please give me a follow and join the Discord. Link in the bio. There's tons of information there, including short videos on how to do this stop loss, take profits, risk management, and more. Also join the community where we're all learning and benefiting together, so you can chat with me there as well. The best part is it's all free. You never have to pay to learn. So everything that I give is all free. I don't charge you guys for anything. I'll never trade for you, any of that kind of stuff. I'll never ask you to buy anything. I'm already here trading. I'm just trying to teach you guys what I am doing. All right, so we're going into profit here on XRP USD. Just looking for a small position. We'll see if we end up hitting that profit. We're watching Tesla as well, as the market is currently open, and then BTC USD. Waiting to see if we can catch a reversal in that long position here. As you can see, it's still dropping. And the PSAR is on the bottom. There's on top, meaning that we're still trending down. RSI as well as under the 50, meaning that we are trending down as well. So I've been trading, making pretty good money from doing this regularly. Also, if you guys use my referral code, I can make commission as well on this side. It doesn't affect you at all, since the broker gives me some commission from their end. This way, it's a win-win scenario as well. Y'all get to learn for free, and I can make some extra money on the side just from the commissions here on TradeXN. Again, no trading fees and low spreads. If you are in the US, you have to use a VPN, as this is an offshore broker. I do use Proton VPN. It's free to use. I just use the Netherlands or Japan as my VPN, and it has worked really well for me. Again, I try to save as much capital as possible when I'm doing things, so I use TradeXN because they don't have any like monthly subscriptions or anything like that. And then they have low trading fees, no trading fees, and low spreads as well. So again, that's why I use them to try to save my capital. A lot of other brokers out there charge just about for everything. TradeXN's a little bit smaller, and so they're not charging all those extra fees yet. Hey Antoinette, what's going on? I've definitely seen you before. Welcome back to my live. Hey Prototype, what's going on? All right, let's see. What time is it? We got a few more minutes here. What is Tesla doing?
Trade up now on ETH USD.
Trade up now on ETH.
USD.
All right, what is... See, Microsoft. Microsoft is... What's Microsoft doing today? Come on. It's being slow again. I was having internet problems last night. I might be having them again today. I don't know what the deal is. Freaking AT&T. Yeah, we're having internet problems again. Come on. No, it says it's connected. We're definitely having issues here. Oh, there it goes. Jeez. Hey, Antoinette, what's going on? Alright, there, we're moving again. My gosh. Alright, what was I trying to look at? Microsoft? Yeah, so Microsoft, man, it just... there's a huge bullish going both directions here on Microsoft. What's the PSAR saying here? RSI. That's really hard to see. Alright, so let's see. So that's in above the 50 PSARs on top, and Microsoft. So that's saying it's trying to pull back up on the 5-minute time frame. So again, it's mixed signal with the PSAR on top. Looks like it was trying to trend down, and it very well may end up trending down. This could very well be a pullback. From just by looking at that, it is trying to short, as we have these two really big candles already. All right. So maybe we can catch a short position out of Microsoft. And we'll end up seeing, maybe we can sit here for just a minute. We'll see what it ends up doing. All right, so the differences between investors and traders, if anybody is curious, an investor only makes money when the market is going up. An investor is limited by their starting capital, an exact percentage that the market moves. Say, for example, if the investor has $1,000 and they invest it in the stock or commodity, and that asset goes up by 10%, then they can make a maximum of $100 on that move. As traders, we can make money when the market goes up and goes down. The reason is that we have short positions as well as long positions. Most of those that don't know, Almost anyone now can access a trading platform where they can make money on the markets regardless of the direction. As traders, we also have leverage, right? So we have like 100-point leverage. TradeXN does go all the way up to 500, but I only use 100 when I'm trading. Leverage does allow us to multiply our trade size to be bigger than what our account size would normally allow. So that means we're using a $1,000 account with a 1 to 100 leverage. Then we can do trades that would be able to be done with a $100,000 account, which increases our risk and reward potential. So the $27,000 account is like $270,000. All right, so that's basically what that's acting like with that leverage. So it really does a big difference when we're trading. All right, let's see. So we were trading up. We are getting this, looks like reversal here on Microsoft. So I think I'm going to jump into this trade as well. All right, stop loss. And then take profit. All right, so we have that stop loss and take profit in place again. So I don't have to be concerned about what the market's going to do. It's either going to hit my stop loss or take profit. But at the end of the day, it's all about protecting my capital. Like I said, I can get up and go do other stuff now, other trades, and I'm not worried about what the market's going to do because I already have my stop loss there, protecting my capital, and then my take profit of what I'm looking to make on that trade. All right, so BTC is getting ready to hit this, the PSAR here, which I've been talking about. RSI is getting ready to break the 50. And there we go. So that just switched. And BTC is moving on up here. So I'm going to jump into that one as well. All right. So there we go. So we're going to trade with that one as well. Again, set our stop loss and take profit. All right. And then that's 50. All right, so there we go. So we have our stop loss and take profit in place. And we'll see how that, again, plays out. All right, guys, welcome to my live. Like I said, I'm here every single day doing trades. Hey, Samuel Sanchez. So I am trading BTC USD. I'm trading Microsoft right now and XRP. Are the three that I'm currently in a trade with right now. Bitcoin is in a buy position, Microsoft is in the sell position, and XRP is in a sell position.
Trade down now. BTC USD.
Trade down now, BTC. Again, those are those audio signals that I'm trading as well. When you're using the range bars, make sure that you have the live button turned down and your audio so that you get those as well. I think we need to give that a little bit more room to breathe here. I'm going to make these 100 for today. It's a little more active during the day. 100 points is the better way to go. All right, there we go. So I have that, again, that stop loss and take profit in place. So this one is the range bars. This is TradeXN is the name of the broker. No trading fees and low spreads. You can get them in the link in my bio. And then this is the range bars. These range bars are in the link in my bio as well, or you can go to futurecapitaltrading.net is the name of my streaming service up here. Again, free to use. All it takes is your email to sign up. Hey, Pace. Yeah, bro. So if you go to my Discord, check out my Discord. Okay, look, I have a whole bunch of training videos. in this already. The Discord is free, 100% free, doesn't cost anything. And I have how to set up TradeXN, how to withdraw and put money on TradeXN, how to set up the charts, how to add markets, how to do the stop loss, the take profit, how to use the range bars that are up on that screen, how I set up my indicators, information on the range bars, how to use a VPN as well. And then another video that really breaks down how the range bars work too. So all that is in here. If you go to the training videos section of my Discord, again, it's Future Capital Trading is the name of the Discord there. You can check that out for free. And so it's all in the link in my bio. All right, so I am hitting 9 o'clock here. I've got to jump off of here. Hopefully I will be on later again tonight. But I do got to get ready for work. So give me a follow, join the Discord as well. See, this is again TradeXN, no trading fees and low spreads. All that is in the link in my bio. If you're in the US, you have to use a VPN. That's in the link in my bio as well, that you can use for free. And then the range bars, those are on my streaming service as well, futurecapitaltrading.net. So you can check all that stuff out. And like I said, there's a whole bunch of training videos on how to use all that stuff. So for my stop loss right now is I'm doing 100 points. So I did open price 40743, stop loss 40543, and take profit 943. So 200 points difference. So $100 to 200 points. All right, you guys, I gotta jump off of here. Again, I will catch you all later. Again, give me a follow, and I will see you all again soon. Antoinette, y'all have a great day, and hopefully I'll see you in the Discord.
Trade down